all about understanding what part of the bow you need to be at what time. It's always changing, and Sevcik gives us very clear instructions what to do. So the first couple of notes, you're supposed to give a big bow to end up all the way at the tip. And then stay there until it's time to go back. And of course, you're playing the rest of the 8th notes. So you're playing them off string. And this kind of pattern repeats itself many times over. At first you're playing with a mezzo forte, and then of course he's giving us forte, which means it's even bigger. It's more. He's asking for more effect. And then of course when you come back finally to play the last section, he's asking for pianissimo in the middle of the bow. So again, Sevcik is changing situation for us very quickly, so we need to be able to adapt to his demands. Yeah, basically very soft ending. I don't see anything really extraordinarily difficult here, except maybe just dealing with the pitch and make sure the accidentals are really in tune. Just do the best you can to play in in this key, really in tune. Intonation is a big deal, but of course understand how the mechanics of the wrist and the forearm in the elbow are changing the way you're playing in different parts of the bow, in how to adapt, make sure you are responding really quickly to the changes that are thrown. So long bow, up, tip, long bow, tip, tip, up bow. And then again, long bow, tip, tip, up bow, to come back again. So this is to be practiced many times, a bunch of times, until you start feeling pretty confident, pretty comfortable doing this. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. I can see a lot of you are watching my videos. Not a lot of people subscribing, so I don't know, maybe you forgot. So the subscribe button is somewhere there. And please visit my website where you can find more information about the violin lessons I teach. Thanks for watching.